Well, students, good morning. Now, today discuss, we are going to study the second chapter of history, British power in India. The first, our topic is mercantilism and the expansion of European trade. The Due to the origin of the English East India Company, after the declination of Mughal Empire, the English East India Company was established in India. And as the East India Company was originated, due to this, at the economic theory and practice of mercantilism popular in India, popular in Europe at that time. As per the theory of mercantilism, the prosperity of a country depends on a positive balance of trade. That's why we can say that the British East India Company, the English East India Company were getting prosperity to this theory, due to this theory. But when they came to India, they established in India some of the other European rivals were rose. In them, the first one is the Portuguese. Portuguese were the first who reached India. In 19 in 1498, Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, discovered a new sea route to India from Europe. It was a very long route, and the sailor who sailed through it, they had to pass the coast of West Africa, then again to Calicut, which is in Kerala. European traders has forced to use this route because of the Ottoman Empire in Turkey and West Asia, which were the traditional land route, already disrupted. Portuguese were established their settlement in Calicut, Cochin, Goa, Daman and Diu. They were the first European to establish their trading and administrative power in India, but they were not successful for a long time. They only managed their position in western India. Goa remained with Portuguese till 1968. After that, Goa became the part of India. After them, the Dutch. The Dutch came to India. They were also exploring the possibilities of trade in the Indian Ocean by the early 17th century. They established their trading centers at Surat, Ahmedabad, Bharuch, Nagapattinam, and Masulipatanam. They eventually shifted their attention to establish a colonial empire in Java and Indonesia. After Dutch, the French came to establish their trading centers in India. So, in 1664, the French East India Company established, which expanded its base in India and posed a tough challenge to the English East India Company. The French East India Company made their centers at Pondicherry. which is now in Puducherry, which is now known as Puducherry, Chandarnagar, Mahe, and Karaikal. These are the centers of French East India Company. The first French factory was established in Surat in 1668. In the middle of the 18th century, Dupleix became the governor, with his ambition was to establish a French empire in India. This brought him into direct conflict with the British. So, beta, these three were known as the European rivals of the English East India Company. Thereafter, tomorrow I will send another video in which we will send the detail of the English East India Company. Thank you, beta.